Welcome to Level Up Mechanics. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on my R18 single overhead cam engine for the 8th gen Honda Civic. These will be the NGK laser Iridium factory spark plugs, so if you're interested in picking any of these up for your vehicle, make sure to check the description section below, as I'll provide a link to the part that's available on Amazon. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and jump into the repair.